Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
And how are you?
Fine.
You're fine. You're comfortable right now?
Yes.
If you are comfortable, so can you share what your name and where are you from?
So my name is Dalim Sheikh and I am from South Leon, the district of Cyprus.
So your name is Dalim Sheikh and you are from South Begumganj.
Yes.
And what is your educational qualification?
I was passed intermediate in 2013 and 2023 and currently I study UG semester 3.
So right now you are pursuing BSc or BA in this time. So are you fresher or do you have any experience?
Yes, I have some experience.
Can you share which type you have experience?
I have about computer knowledge like MS Word, MS Paint, and I have teach experience.
So you have computer and teaching experience.
Yes.
You are the experience.
Yes.
And what language can you speak?
Yes, I know about two languages in professional like English and Hindi, and I have two mother tongue languages like Bangla and Urdu.
So you know the four language: Hindi, English, Bangla, and Urdu.
But Hindi and English is a major. When I feel any problem at the time, I feel Hindi and English. It is a professional. Bangla and Urdu is a temporary and it is a mother tongue.
Of course, it is mother tongue and it is also your regional language. And what are your skills?
I think I have convention skills. Sometimes when I talk with others, if in any situations, so that time I will handle and I convince that person. So I think it's a
Best
Yeah.
skills for you.
Mm.
Yes. And what are your hobbies?
Yes, my hobbies like running is a major hobbies.
Running.
Yeah,
In the morning or in the evening?
anytime.
Anytime.
Not situation. Depend on situation. Morning, afternoon, anytime.
It can be any time. Why do you want? Sorry. And what do you want to become?
I want to become a police.
Police officer, like DSP, IS officer.
Yes, like
Sorry, IPS.
IPS.
I hope it can be. Are you willing to learn new things?
Sorry, can you say?
Are you willing to learn new things?
Yes.
Always. It is good for as a
It's a good for
IPS.
me and also our life when I will be anything.
So, can you work under pressure?
Yes, I will handle in any situation. If from company sides, from who are the senior from me, so that time I will handle and I managed many things in under pressure.
And are you punctual?
Yes,
Give you?
I am punctual and I give two examples. So first you see it every day I coming on the class one time. It's one and second punctuality. Anytime, anywhere you call me, that time I pick the call in quickly. So it is the second punctuality quality in
Yes. Second one I like it, but first one I'm not agree this one, but second one I like it. Yes. How do you manage your time?
Uh, First, I make schedule, and after I do according to timetable. Which time I prepared anything, which time I take any dinner, lunch, breakfast, which time I want to work. First I make schedule, then after I do according to timetable.
What motivates you to work hard?
Motivates. When I see in my father's life, also farmer's life, that time I think they are working very hardly, and that time I feel, and I want to do. These are very these are not easily as a farmer, as a labor. The time I feel when I want to do anything, so that time I will achieve. But who are belong to farmer's family, their family, they are not taking anything easily. So that is when I see that situation, so I will motivate, and I want to do in best in others' life.
Yes. And what kind of work environment do you like?
Oh, what kind of? I want to the good communities. They are many persons are educated, and their understanding level is good, and also they are thinking in positive. So I expect this type of what do you say?
Environment.
Yeah, environment.
And how do you communicate with others?
So first I knowing about what they are want to do, and their what is the demand. So first I knowing, then after I talk with the person, then I will give some suggestion. Just like I will communicate in others.
Yes. And what is your long-term goal?
Long term goal. Long term.
It means the in future.
I already said I want to become a police officer.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
So it is a always it is my long term goal, not changeable.
Of course.
It's a fixed.
Flexible. And how much earn after 5 years, or which things do you want in your life?
After 5 years,
5 years.
at least 1 lakh
Per month.
per month. I expect if I can earn in 1 lakh in 1 month, so that time I will handle what I want to do, what I want like purchase anything. It is enough for my life and also family.
Of course, one is too much.
But
money.
it is not fixable. It's
More than 1 lakh.
yeah.
Do you have any question?
Yes, some.
Okay, then ask.
You know, I want to become a great person, but first it is needed. We are We are preparing educational line. And we all know it is one way of success. If I take any government jobs, But currently, I cannot manage our syllabus, preparation, study material. So what I do, I think, can you suggest me?
Yes, from my experience and my thoughts, you are semester 3. So you have the time, I think, at least more than 2 years for the IPS.
Yes.
So for UPSC or IPS, it's too much time for you. So first you take any coaching center, or you don't have the too much money, so you can help from YouTube, but there are the contents already completed, and you first first you take download the syllabus and you check it according to the syllabus. You complete all the content from the YouTube or Google's. You have the ChatGPT. You complete first. After that, you revise it and you take it also the PYQ, and you find some problem. So you have to also you should find some mentor who are the already experienced, who already did some things. You can take advice from that, and this time you complete first syllabus, because I think 1 year is the too much time for complete any syllabus, not only the UPSC, it can be anyone. You can complete first 1 year syllabus. After the 1 year, you can give the exam and take advice who are already did.
So you want to tell first I take short-term job?
Not short-term job. You complete first syllabus according to UPSC.
Yes.
First syllabus, because the UPSC need at least 1 day, at least 8 to 10 hours. Then you complete within 1 year. If you only study 4 hours, 3 hours, then it can be the 3 hours, 3 years, 5 years. It is not manageable for us.
Yes, many aspirants are give 5 years, 4 years, 10 years.
Yes, 10 years, but depend on the financial condition. We are not have that too much money.
It is not possible for everyone.
Everyone. So according to situation, your family condition, you take 1 year for complete syllabus. After that, you can give exam and you take advice for the did something. It's from my side, and you have the find new way. You can also explore that one. As question.
No, sir.
Thanks so much. Have a nice day, darling. Nice to talk to you.